In this video, I'll show you how to fix the missing Extended Security Updates option in Windows Update on Windows 10, even if your device has all the latest Windows updates installed. The reason for this issue is that the consumer ESU program cannot be used for commercial purposes. For example, devices connected to an Active Directory domain, Microsoft Intra, or managed by a mobile device management (MDM) solution will not be eligible for the Extended Security Updates program. Here's a simple PowerShell script to quickly check if your device is commercial or MDM managed. True indicates that the device is managed. However, when I ran the Recheck command, I noticed that the computer was not joined to any domain or Azure AD. On this computer, Windows detected commercial or MDM usage because of Microsoft Edge. I made some registry changes to configure certain settings. These settings are only applicable if the device is managed by an MDM solution. Therefore, in the registry, I created a registry key to simulate MDM enrollment. To bypass this, I will export the key and then delete it. After deleting it, you can go back to Windows Update to check if it works. You might need to wait a bit for the enrollment option to appear, or you can restart your computer. Alternatively, you can manually activate that option using this command. As you can see, we can now add this device to the Extended Security Updates program to get an extra year of updates. Now, we can bring back the registry key for Microsoft Edge policies that we removed earlier. Also, if the first method doesn't fix the problem, you can try turning on the Find My Device option in Windows Update and try to enroll again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.